Here's how to connect your Magento store to Claude using InsightfulPipe MCP. In InsightfulPipe, go to Connectors and click Add Connection to begin the setup. From the available connectors, find and select Magento. The Magento connector needs your store URL and 4 OAuth credentials. Let's grab those from your Magento admin. Paste your Magento store URL, then head to your Magento admin panel. Navigate to System, then Integrations. Click Add New Integration. Name it InsightfulPipe and enter your admin password to verify your identity. Switch to the API tab and set Resource Access to Custom to select specific permissions. Select the resources you need. For full analytics, enable sales orders with view permission, invoices, shipments, and credit memos. Also enable catalog access for products and categories, plus marketing and content permissions. For reporting, grant access to store settings and configuration. Once all permissions are selected, click Save. The integration is saved. Click Activate, then review and allow the requested API access. Magento displays your integration tokens: consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. Copy each credential and paste it into the corresponding field in the InsightfulPipe form. Continue copying the remaining tokens from Magento into the connector form fields. With all credentials entered, click Test and Connect to verify the connection. Once connected, you'll see the MCP server setup guide. Let's connect this to Claude. In Claude settings, go to Connectors, click Add Custom Connector, enter a name and paste the MCP server URL. Click Add, then Connect. Start a new chat and ask Claude to analyze your Magento website's performance, covering metrics like traffic, conversion, and revenue. Claude uses the MCP integration to pull real data directly from your Magento store, querying orders, products, and customer analytics. It processes multiple data sources to build a comprehensive analysis of your store's performance. And here's the result: a full performance report built with real data from your Magento store. The report covers traffic analytics, product engagement, conversion funnel analysis, and revenue breakdowns by category. It also provides mobile performance insights, page load impact analysis, and actionable recommendations to grow sales. That's how easy it is to connect Magento to Claude with InsightfulPipe MCP for instant data-driven insights.